Alright, what is up guys? The Casey's back with another video. Today we're going to start working on some of the UI for the Minesweeper game, getting that set up. We have the logic pretty much locked down. Now we just need to get a visual representation of that data so that our users can start messing around with the game. So let's get into that. Also, if you guys are new to the channel, don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any questions, content that you guys want to see on the channel, let me know in the comments below. The live format is a lot easier to produce videos, not as much editing, and you guys get to see the real world of coding. So let me know you guys' feedback in the comments below. And also you guys can always ask questions on the live stream and I will reply to those. So let's get into this project. Let's see here. We need, well, let me run this project. I just want to see what's going on here right quick. I'm guessing it's just going to say, is there a fragment? No fragments. Alright. Let's create a fragment. We have a mine button. So basically on this fragment, as of right now, we're kind of going with the vibe of like a linear layout. We're just gonna make a grid. I guess that's the best way to describe this. So we need a linear layout that has linear layouts, which is similar to our array of arrays. And then there's going to be mine buttons inside of each one of those. All right. We're going to say linear layout. We can fix this because there's going to be like text and stuff at the top. Since we know that, maybe not. Yeah, we'll do a linear layout, that's fine. And then down here, we'll just create the actual view. The orientation is going to be vertical. And let's add an ID. Sweeper item layout. Sorry, thought I got a text. Or I did get a message, but from a different person. So inside of our fragment, we're gonna get this linear layout and we're gonna programmatically add the lists. So on view created, we're gonna say view.findView is a linear layout. Whoop. r.id.sweeper item layout dot apply, or We can do that. So now we're gonna say for grid we need to get an instance of our view model. So okay, in view model. Oh, in view model dot I think it's actually a constant, isn't it? Items. Oh, what am I thinking? So I haven't decided yet, but on each one of these buttons, we can have a instance to the mine or the sweeper item on each button, or we can just know the position of the button and work around that way. It might be best to store the object on the button, or is that not as efficient? Maybe we just store on the rows, we store the ID for the Y, and then we know the item inside of that item as the X position, and then we can get the items by lookup versus each view storing an object. But if each view stores the object, it's a lot easier to do some UI stuff on it. Yes, I think we'll just, add the button to add the sweeper item to the mine button. I think that will be easier, I think. But in mine button might not have that. We'll make it optional. Bar item. All right, we'll do that, and then we can set that on each item in here. So again, for item in 0 dot Minesweeper dot item. gonna say this dot add view val mine or sweeper button. I'm gonna change that. Equals view model dot get. Oh. Wait. We'll call this guy. The Y is gonna be row. And the X, we'll just do that. That actually is a lot easier. So the item is going to be the sweeper item, and then we're going to add the sweeper button. Coolio. Bah, 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 bah. And then we're gonna say it. So this is, we'll just add the name on here, sweep the layout. Cabalanca. Sweet. Ugh. So now we should have a grid layout of items. Let's run it and see. I don't know. Mine button. Here, let's create an array, or let's just set the background color on draw. Blue, we'll make it a so it's a blue, and if it turns out blue, and it's not gonna be the whole view, I don't think. It might be. We'll see. We should see blue though. Before it runs, it's not going to. We need to go to the activity. And add in the fragment here. Maybe something like this. Or is it layout? I'm tripping. I thought it was fragment. Match parent, layout. All right, that should work. Is it not? Is it not running? Oh, am I running the tests? Wow. Yo, what up, Elgin? How's it going, man? Earlier when I said that someone texted me, I was not referring to you. I'm planning on going rock climbing today, and it was my friend, but he hasn't gotten back to me, so I might not go. We'll see. Oh. Bum, bum, bum. We're getting pretty close to getting the grid stuff done. Once this is working, we can get some ugly looking buttons out there. Unable to start activity, line 9, that's because it's a fragment. Let's Google this. Oh, it's name, not layout. Boom, shakalaka. Whoa, it's all blue. All right, now I kind of want to see. Let's do a. Not background color. I wonder if we can just add a random. But that's gonna be, oh, yeah. Okay. Now we should see like a grid kind of sort of. Okay, cool. Sweet. That did not work out how I was expecting it. Let's see what's going on here. Layout inspector. We should have seen at least some sort of grid kind of looking. What is this? That's one mine button. Is it this one? Maybe I need to set orientation on these. Let's see. Of course I do. Linear layout. Okay. I guess we can set the height on it. That might be a problem. Let's see. On measure, measured. I think that does it. Nope. Restart the app. Interesting. All right, so let's even see if these items are being added. Kind of looks like they're not right now. So let's do a little walk through. I guess we only need one of those. And that's not gonna work. Okay. Okay, so Y is, I'm guessing, 0. Cool. Did any of this get hit? Okay. Let's see here. I think everything's being added as we expect. Don't think that is the issue. Maybe the linear layout is wrapping the height. Let's see. Oh. Oh look, it is in the grid layout like we want. It's just all of them are red. Ooh, gnarly. Cool. Now why did that happen? Okay, there we go. So it's kind of like random. We need to figure out the height for these buttons. This might not be the appropriate height. Also, we need to fix this thing. I think it's adding an extra button on this side. Maybe not. Did I set a width on these? Let's try that. All right, cool. It'd be cool if they like match the parent and then build out. I'm not sure if that is a item or not. Let's see. If it is, we need to fix that. If not, we still need to fix it. No, so these aren't buttons. These are just the end of the row. Cool. So one of these items could be a mine, or one of them could be a number. So now I guess the thing to get hooked up will be like a tap listener, and when one of them gets tapped, it calls the view model for item tap, and then when we get the item tapped, we can start to change the UI based off of that. I'm not sure if that is going to require us to like reload the view, or if we can do some live data thing to notify the view, hey, you need to update. Not sure how that's gonna look yet. Let's see how long have I been on here. That was mainly what I wanted to get done on this video today, so I'm actually pumped right now. I don't know how long we've been on. Let's see. $30 minutes or so, I guess. Yeah, so when my friend gets all the designs done, this will look different. Obviously, these aren't going to look like this, but by putting those into a button class like this, we can change a couple things on here, and it's going to change all of these items, okay? And also, this is a view, and we're going to change that to a button. It'll have on-click listener. I mean, we can still set one, but that'd be nice. And then we need to figure out growing this. It might be on a scroll view where the items keep going down infinitely or however much for the game. But we need to figure that out too. Okay. Once we get the click, that hits view model, checks, and then we just have to update the views to show a number or a mine if the game's over. and then we'll basically have the game done besides UI, and we'll just have to make it look pretty. And GG. I'm actually really pumped. I think fun games like this are like things that we like played as kids or whatnot is like cool to remake because it's so simple, but it's like what actually goes into this, and just solving it is fun. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. We didn't do a ton, but we really did get a lot accomplished. You can now start to see some of the UI coming together. And in the next video, hopefully, me and my friend will get the designs, hopefully, start working on some of that stuff. If not, we can keep it ugly and just get the basics done. But I didn't talk to him about that. I appreciate y'all watching all the way through the stream. If you have any questions, comments, let me know down below. I will get back to you on that. Any video ideas, also let me know. And don't forget to sub to the channel if you like this content. It helps me help you. All right, peace out, guys.